doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is another crazy deals video. This time in particular, what I wanted to do for everyone is go over some inexpensive microphones that you can pick up right now today. Maybe if you're interested in doing some form of podcasting or some type of content creation and you were unsure where to start, or maybe you have a good smartphone that you're using for your content creation, but the audio from those speakers or the built-in microphones are not so hot. Well, hopefully this list of inexpensive microphones will help you out. Now, this list is in no particular order, but I feel each of these microphones that I'm going to talk about here today offer some type of value over the others. And that being said, all links to where to purchase everything that I'm going to talk about in this video today will be located down below in the video description. So, as you guys and gals can see, I got my Amazon cart pulled up here, and I got 7 different microphones that I want to talk about with you guys and gals. And so let's just go ahead and start off with the first one at the top, which is the purple Panda Lavalier microphone and kit. And a neat thing that I like about this kit, and shout out to Ultratech for the recommendation. Really appreciate that, bro. But the neat thing that I like about this kit is it comes with a similar clip-on microphone to my CQ microphone. So as you can see, it almost looks exactly like my CQ microphone, but you have all of the adapters that you're going to need in this kit, and you get a nice big carrying bag. So regardless of whatever you're trying to record with, whether it be your smartphone, whether it be your computer, so on and so forth, it's gonna work. Alright? And you get a nice little, you get 2 different types of windscreens. So you get the small windscreen, which I showed you guys from the CQ microphone, but you also get the bigger windscreen. So maybe if you're outdoors or you want to isolate the sound some more, you might want to go with that bigger windscreen. And as I was saying, if you look here, you do indeed get all of the adapters. So you can got adapters for your smartphone, your laptop, your desktop, so on and so forth. Really good stuff. So this microphone kit here should be compatible with just about everything you can think of. Alright? So that is mic number 1. That is the purple Panda. Alright, and you can see it's available right now today for $24 on Amazon. Alright, now moving on, the next microphone I want to talk about is the BOYA BY-MM1 universal microphone. And this one is more of a shotgun style microphone, but again, it should work with everything from your smartphone to your cameras to your desktop to your laptop. And again, it comes with everything that you may need out of the box. So you can see we have the mic itself, and we have the big windscreen, and then we have the adapter plugs. And the real neat thing is, if you are using a smartphone and you have a smartphone mount or some type of recording rig, you can see it mounts onto that rig no problem. And it also has the thread, so if you want to mount it separately and like talk into it, podcasting style, you can do that as well. And as you can see, it mounts onto any cameras. You can use it with your smartphone and the rig, like I said. You can even use it with your desktop or laptop, as you can see there. Really, really nice stuff. And this one right here is, let's just call it $40. So you can see that. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, let's keep it moving. Up next now, we have the Comica CVM V30 LITE. Alright, and we will talk about another Comica mic here in a second, but this is the LITE version of the one we're getting ready to talk about. And this, like the BOYA, is another shotgun style microphone, and again, this one is compatible with your smartphones, with your tablet, with your desktop, with your laptop, so on and so forth. And it does have the nice little mounting shoe and plugins. So you can see there, you can mount it on top of your smartphone rig. You can mount it on top of your camera, and you just plug the other end into the headphone jack on your device, or if you need to use an adapter, you can do that. So this is really, really nice, giving yourself that little bit of extra improvement in sound quality. Maybe as I said, your smartphone mics aren't the best. A nice little pickup. And as you can see, this one is available again for $40. So really good stuff there. Now, let's move on to the next one. And I'm sure you guys and gals are seeing a nice common trend here. This is the Amazon Basics Corduroid microphone. Now, I apologize, y'all, because this was in stock when I added it to my cart, but within the span that it took me to get this video together, it went out of stock. But if you do order it, it'll ship right away. And, you know, there's always some nice little recommended replacements as you scroll through Amazon. But as you guys and gals can see, this is just a straightforward directional mic that plugs into your headphone jack. So you can see it's real tiny, and it just plugs into the headphone jack on your device, and you're good to go. And like I said, you can swivel it around, and it's real neat. And for me, if I'm not looking, if I'm on the go, right? Because I already told you guys, we trying to live that hashtag wireless lifestyle. If I'm on the go, I feel like mics like this really come in handy, because the one thing that I hate about taking my CQ microphone with me when I'm on the go is that when I got the idea for a video, and maybe the smartphone I have on me doesn't have the best mic quality, and I know that, and I need to carry that mic, then I gotta put it in my bag, make sure everything's packed up. If I was to get something like this, you know, I just put it in my back pocket, plug it directly into the headphone jack, and it's good to go. Or maybe I designate one particular device as my video recording device, and I leave it plugged into that device at all times. And then when I got the idea for a video, I just pull the device out, everything's already set up, open the camera, and push record. So that's the neat thing about mics like this, because it's very plug and play, and you don't really have to hassle with much. So that's the really nice touch there. So this was the Amazon Basics Corduroid microphone, and you can see this one is available for $50. Now, it's currently out of stock, but if we scroll down here to the bottom, Amazon is always good about having their little recommendations, and you know, you can also sign up for notifications when it goes back in stock. So that's also a nice touch there. Now let's keep it moving. We're almost finished. We got like what, 3 left? Yeah, we got 3 left. Now, this next one is the Rogue VideoMic Me. Now, I've been trying to get my hands on this mic for a while now. The price fluctuates a lot, but this is another microphone similar to the Amazon Basics one, where it plugs directly into the headphone jack on your device, and you're good to go. Pretty much no need to mess around with anything. Plug it in, it should sync up with your device, and you're good to go to record videos. And as you can see here, it's actually really, really nice. It comes with a nice support clip, so once it's plugged in, you know that it's not going to go anywhere. And it also comes with its own windscreen as well. So really good stuff. And if I had to choose a designated mic style, this is the mic style that I would go with, because I can flip it around and record audio from the front, or I can flip it around and record audio from the back, and always know that I'm getting really good quality audio. So really good stuff there. Alright, and this one, you can see, as I said, this one fluctuates a lot. I've seen this mic go as high as $80, and I've seen it go for as low as $35. So you really gotta get it while it's cheap, or keep checking back on the links in the description till you get the best price that you feel is worth. But this right here, I'm still on the hunt to get this one. Man, every time I'm ready, it's either fluctuated too high or I don't have the money to pick it up. But y'all will see a review of this particular mic on the channel. The hunt continues. I'm not going to let this one get away. But yes, this is the Rogue VideoMic Me. And you can see it's available right now for $52. Now, up next, let's say you were looking for more of a all-in-one kit. So you want the microphone, you want the mount, you want all of the adapters, so on and so forth. Well, these last two microphones should hook you up and you should be good to go. So right here we have the Comica smartphone video kit with CVM VM10 K2 microphone. Dang, that name is a mouthful. So as you can see, we have the mic itself, and we have the smartphone mount, and we have a nice little mini tripod similar to my Manfrotto, and we got all of our adapters and windscreens here at a pretty good price. So as y'all can see, this mic will work with your smartphones and your adapters, so on and so forth. You can mount it on different things, and it's pretty much like a mini shotgun style microphone, and it comes with everything you would need. So maybe you were thinking, all of that's cool, but what if I just want a whole package all together? Like, I'm just starting out with content creation. I have my phone. I don't really want to hunt around for these different pieces. I want a whole kit that I could just buy all in one and be good to go. Well, this is one thing that I can recommend for you guys and gals. Pick it up. It comes. You're good to go. So really, really nice. And as I said, pretty much works similar to all the other mics on this list. And now the price is a little bit pricey, but for everything that you get included with the kit, I feel like this one is worth the price. Alright, so again, this is the Comica smartphone video kit and the CVM VM10K2 mini shotgun microphone. A mouthful of a name right there. Mouthful of a name. Alright. And last but certainly not least, we have the ALZO smartphone streaming rig and Comica microphone. Alright. This is the same Comica microphone that I talked about earlier. So this is the CVMV30. Alright. But this is all in a nice little kit here. Alright, so you got the nice little mounting rig with the grips, and you got the microphone and all of the adapters. So again, this is another all-in-one kit. And again, this is a little bit pricey at $80, but it's coming with everything that you would need out of the box, okay? So you got your smartphone rig here, you got your mounting rig for the microphone, you got all of your adapters, so on and so forth, and you even got your windscreen. So you are good to go here if you want to pick up this kit here, alright? Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. Again, if this video piqued your interest, all links to where y'all can pick up these microphones will be available down below in the video description. So, interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as always, the large majority of those links down below in the video description will be affiliate links, but as I always promise, I always go with the lowest price affiliate links, okay? So you guys and gals are guaranteed to get the lowest prices available. And please be sure to check back on those links so y'all get the most up-to-date pricing available and you snatch it at what you think is worth or the cheapest price you see. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals on my next video. This was recorded using the screen recorder app that I featured in my video creation process. Alright, and this was using the the Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, as I get the low battery warning there. Sorry about that, y'all, but it is what it is. And yeah, I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace, everybody.